Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Here are some basic shortcuts for text formatting. Now, if you want to make your text bold, just select it, then press Ctrl B. If you want to italicize your text, select the text. So I'll select this text from here, then press Ctrl I, and your text will be italicized. And if you want to underline your text again, just select the text, then press Ctrl U. If you want to undo any of these commands, you can still select the text again. Then now I want to remove the underline, so I'll press Ctrl U. If you want to remove the italics, it's Ctrl I, and for the bold, it's Ctrl B.